In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate OneDrive with Notion. By the end, you'll be able to quickly bring your OneDrive files and folders into Notion. Preview them beautifully, and if you want, connect your account for seamless browsing right inside your workspace. Let's start with the fastest method in your OneDrive. Copy the share link of the file or folder you want to reference. This can be any document, spreadsheet, presentation, PDF, or even an entire folder. Once you have that link on your clipboard, head to your Notion page and paste it directly into the page body. When Notion asks how to handle the link, choose Paste as Preview. This creates a rich preview block that shows the file name and an easy way to open it. So it's much more useful than a plain hyperlink. If you don't see the preview option, double-check that the link you copied is a standard OneDrive share link and that your teammates have permission to view it. Keeping links consistent and shareable ensures the preview loads as expected. Next, here is a convenient way to add OneDrive content without leaving Notion. On any Notion page, type the / command by entering a / and then OneDrive. From the menu that appears, select the OneDrive option to browse and add files. This opens a picker where you can choose the exact files you need. Once selected, Notion will place the item right on your page with the same clean preview format, saving you from hunting down links manually. For full access and a smoother workflow, you can connect your OneDrive account to Notion. Open your Notion sidebar and go to Settings and Members. From there, select My Connections, find OneDrive in the list, and click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account and grant the necessary permissions. Approving these permissions lets Notion securely interact with your OneDrive, so you can browse, insert, and maintain previews without copying links every time. This is especially helpful if you frequently reference shared documents or maintain project folders in OneDrive. To recap, you can integrate OneDrive with Notion in 3 practical ways. Paste a share link and choose Paste as Preview for a quick embed. Use the /OneDrive/ command to browse and add files directly from Notion. And connect your account in Settings and Members under My Connections for full, streamlined access. Choose the method that fits your workflow, and you'll keep your Notion pages organized and up to date with your OneDrive content. Thanks for watching.